We'll guide you through how to fix Discord mic quality. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're finding your mic isn't quite as good as it should be in Discord, and so you want to go and fix it. To get started, go to the bottom left and press user settings. Scroll down on the left to app settings and press voice and video. To get started, go and press debugging at the top. We're going to do a reset just so we've got a fresh start here. So press reset and confirm your decision. Discord will go and reload, and you can come back to your voice and video settings. In input device, make sure you go and select your correct mic. What you can then do is go and set your input volume to about 85, as otherwise it can be a bit loud. You want to then scroll down. I find voice activity to be best. Then for input sensitivity, just have it set to automatic. If you're finding your mic gets cut out, you can try turning off echo cancellation. Otherwise, you can leave it on. For noise pressuring, keep it to crisp. If you're finding it's getting cut out again, you can try lowering it, but crisp should work best. Now, if you're finding as well that it's not being detected and it's cutting out, go and turn this off. Otherwise, keep advanced voice activity on. And what you can then do is scroll all the way down, and you can try turning on enable quality of service, high packet priority. If it makes it worse, come back and turn it off. Hopefully now the problem has been solved.